pale hata MCA anaweza fanya kitu mbaya, but when you want to air it out, you cannot do that, because you know the moment you air that thing out, you will be abducted and your family will say nothing about it. So that one, we want it to stop. Mr. President, you are saying there is no abduction, and the number plates being aired out to be the ones abducting our fellows are the same ones that the government are using. So let us take note of that. Secondly, I don't know the reason why when it comes to December, I should be spending 10 times the much I should be spending on transport going home, while we have our transport ministry in this country. This country is not the same way it was 50 years ago. It is not the same way 50 years ago. For the same reason, the road should not be the same way. So the president, leave alone the stories. Those stories were even said to us when you are a deputy, that the roads will be okay. We saw it in 2017, nothing happened. You are saying it today that utafanya sijui catalogy sijui what roads itaenda hadi Nakuru. That one I know will not happen. But we are here to make sure that that one happen, because I cannot be spending more than 5,000 just to go to the end of my county. Please. I want to wish everybody in this house a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you.